My gosh, I'm so delicious.
Hi.
Ano oras na?
Time check. Anong oras? It's currently, what time?
2:30.
Yes, now we are on our way to Eurotel sa pick up.
Yeah.
Eh, ganda. Hi, time check guys. Anong oras na? What time is it? Time check, it's 2:51 a.m. and we're waiting for our pick up. A van will be picking us up. Ano ba? Tagalog ba tayo?
Tagalog na lang siya. Dalawang.
Ano masasabi mo ngayon sa free diving course natin? What are you looking forward to our free diving course?
The beach.
The beach?
The beach.
Yeah. So what's with the beaches there?
Huh? I don't know.
What's with the beaches?
Clear water. Clear water.
Clear water ba dun?
Diverse coral reefs.
Wow, diverse. Parang kakadictionary mo
Parang
yung
Para kaming
mga
tambay.
yeah. So we've been sitting here for almost 20 minutes now. And wala pa rin yung service namin.
Oh my gosh. Because the meetup time is at 3 a.m. We got here around 2:30. So we were really so early. My gosh. I'm so delicious.
So delicious.
I'm so yummy.
Labit mo nga. Kasama natin to. Hi, we're here. Ay, ang ganda. Grabe. Where are we now? Ito na po yung diving spot. Diving spot, tama ba? Free diving spot here in Batangas. Where in Batangas are we? Mabini, Batangas. So look guys. So beautiful. Oh, the water is so clear. Not very clear, but it's clear enough to see what's under. Look. I don't know if I can zoom in. Can I zoom in? Oh, I can't zoom in. But napagdating pa lang namin, the first time na sinalang kami dito ni Doc, ni Coach, I wanted to back up. Gusto na umalis kasi takot ako, hindi ako marunong magdangoy. Kita ka naman.
Ayun, ganda ka. Picture mo ka dito.
Tama na, tingnan mo yung video ko, napakabastos mo. 1, 2, 3. And gusto ko na mag-back out. And then, good thing, I was patient with myself. And the coaches were very patient with me too. Well, Coach AJ was very patient. Pero nakakatakot pa rin kasi isip ko talaga, babagsak. Tsaka ang lalim ng tubig at ang dilim because it rained yesterday. Umulan daw nakaraang araw. So, malabo yung tubig. Hindi ko makita yung ilalim kung gaano kalalim. And I think that makes me scared. But right now, we're just on rest. Kakatapos lang namin mag-lunch. And nag-aantay kami for our 3 p.m. We will resume by 3 p.m. It's currently 2 p.m. now. And look what happened. Oh, it's, by the way, this is a free shirt by Free Diving Republic. Free Dive Republic. And then look, I scratched my legs. Kasi nagpapanik nga ako, even in shallow waters. Kanina nung pauwi na kami, ang babaw na, pero natakot pa rin ako. So yun, pinulikat ako 2 times. First one, it was with my left calf. Nung nasa malayo pa kami.
Gusto ko ng picture na ako.
Tapos, likat ako, pero nawala din siya. Kasi I was trying to swim by myself. Masama yun eh. Nung sinubukan ko, nagpanik ako. Yun. Pinulikat yung paa ko. Tapos, next naman, andito na kami sa shallow water. Diyan na kami. Ate, umalis ka. Tapos bigla akong kinabahan. Nag-swimming ako mag-isa with my fins. And then, kinabahan ako. So, anong nangyari? Pinulikat na naman yung ride ko. Yun, natatakot ako ngayon to go back. The first open water session was with a line. So, there was a line. May line. Tapos, susundan namin yung pababa. And then now, the next session would be an open water but no line anymore. But there's still a buoy, so we would be diving by ourselves. But I don't know how will I get up because I feel like I'm going to sink myself. Parang malulubog talaga ako eh. Hindi ko alam how to tread properly with the water. So that's what I'm trying to do. Kaya man nagsasalita ako, tapos yung kapatid ko, puro picture lang. Wala kang ambag diba sobrang init. So ang ganda dito, wala masyadong tao. They're still on their break times. And kami lang andito. Look at the passageway.
Ay, itapat mo nga dun. Tama na. May gagawin tayo.
Hoy, dapat 10 minutes to. 4 minutes pa lang ako.
Cut kaya yun.
Tapos, ayun, nagkaantay kami. Pero sana, ayaw parking. Ano ko siya. Ano ba ang April mo? Sana sana matuloy ko siya. Sana kayanin ko. Kasi huli na to for today. And then tomorrow, without boy na ata, I don't know. But today, sana makayanan ko without the line. Kailangan ko talaga i-condition yung utak ko that I won't be dying na hindi ako lulubog. Utak ko lang to. Ganyan yung gagawin ko. Sana kayanin ko kasi masaya to. In sayang to, we paid for how much? We paid for 5,300 pesos for everything in this trip, including the carpool, the breakfast and lunch, the aircon room, and the dive pass because you have to pay 150 pesos per person per day. Ngayon, nag-wait na lang kami. And I'm hoping di na ako magpulikat. Kasi ayoko na magpulikat. This was my very first time experiencing a pulikat or cramp. So, natatakot ako. Sana mamaya lumutang ako. Lumutang ako in a good way. And in a non-panicky way. So, see you guys later. And don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment under this video, this comment. And we will be picking 10 lucky winners to win this bottle of C2. So, if you guys want to win this C2 bottle, all you have to do is just like, comment, share, and subscribe. And huwag kang makikisali pag ako kumita na dito.
Mami manon.
Ito, wala ka man.
Kaya ang boring ng vlog mo. Kasi isang pics ka lang. Dapat naglalakad ka.
Kala mo naman may ginagawa ka kanina. Wala kang ginagawa, puro ka picture dyan. Kala mo ganda mo, parehas lang tayong sunog dito. Pati nga na sunog. Okay, so this is the aftermath of what happened. Okay, bye-bye. See you later. Now we are just waiting for our last water session. It will be our second, and now look at the place where we are. Ate, tumingin ka naman, makita ka ng viewers natin.
Hi guys, welcome to our vlog. So for today, we're in Mabini, Batangas, and we're staying at Free Dive Republic. Look at our shirt.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I super duper love the shirt because of the quality. I think yes, and
So,
the hard work that they put in this shirt. It was very good. Walang masabi. Tumingin ka na, picture tayo. Look at our place. Look at our place as if we own it. So what are you looking forward in this very last session natin?
Not the last session. Not
the last session, but the last session for today, right?
I'll be able to duck dive and swim. Yeah, so that's what I'm looking forward. And look at me, watch me Nene.
Okay, sobrang peaceful dito. I hope we can be in a place, we can be close to a place like this every day. Maybe not every day, but maybe once a week. Because it's very calming, it's very relaxing. Diba ate?
Yeah.
Yun lang yung input niya for the 10-minute vlog. And so, ako naman, I am really worried about the second open water session kasi nga wala nang line eh. So I hope everything will be okay. I think may boy pa rin naman but wala ata. May boy pa rin naman pero hindi ko alam kung magkakaroon ng wala nang
I
line.
don't
So
think it's boy. Boy.
So yun. Sana I hope I will be able to do it. And sana hindi ako magpanic and I hope hindi siya sobrang layo kasi feeling ko factor din yun na kapag sobrang layo, tumitingin ako kung nasan tayo and then the shore. Tapos nagpapanik ko na ganito kalayo. So yun yung it's all
Dapat
mind
ano,
games talaga.
Ayusin mo siya.
Okay, sorry guys, it got because may tao hindi kami sanay. And we're just doing this to document. Really, wala naman kami expectation that people will watch this. And gusto lang namin i-document. Kahit walang salita yung isa, years later,
Because I'm replying
magsisisi
to my
ka.
friend. And I think you always do that too. You
Yeah,
don't
I
want to
know.
be disturbed because you're replying to your friends. So that's what I'm doing right now, okay? So annoying. Look at my nose. What is it?
What happened? I mean, my face still looks fine, you know.
Yeah.
No damage or whatsoever. Oh look, there's a speedboat. So ayun lang. Second open water session is without line na, just boy. So coach, ikaw na bahala sa akin. Ikaw na bahala sa akin mag-angat kapag nawalan ako ng oxygen. But I hope it won't happen.
Shallow lang naman.
Eh syempre nagwawala nga ako.
Uy, i-practice mo na kaya ngayon yung pag-iisip mo.
Okay, I can do this. I am calm. I am relaxed. My hands are heavy. My legs are heavy. I think I can do it. I hope. Ito naman si Miss Perfect. Kala mo galing-galing mo.
Hindi sinasabihan. Ay, puti.
Ano?
Sinasabihan nga kita para ngayon pa lang, alam mo na.
Na ano?
Na hindi ka magpanik.
Bakit ka ba nagpapanik? What could be the reason why?
Tanong mo sa sarili mo, ikaw nagpapanik. Dapat chill ka lang. Alam mo yung unbothered, gano'n.
Yeah.
Diyos ko, ikaw.
How
Parang
can
si
I be
mami.
unbothered? O buti nga wala si mama. Diyos ko kung dito si mama.
Dalawa pa kayo.
Mag-aalala sa akin pero siya din nalulunod nila. Imagine mo dinala natin dito si mama. Ang itim na naman niya. Sure si mama. Mama, we miss you. We hope you're here. But unfortunately, I think hindi mo din kakayanin to. Mas worse pa yung experience mo if ever you came with us. So, just stay at home and we'll be there tomorrow, right? And so, what can you say about Free Dive Republic? I think overall, I'm liking it so far because yung head coach was very entertaining. He was fun and he really made us comfortable. And now our coach AJA, she's very nice too. She's patient. She's caring of us. She's very concerned of me because before, sabi ko nagpapanik ako and she was asking if I'm okay. And I really appreciate that. So for now, I like it. Let's see tomorrow if it will change. But I think for now, I'm having a good experience with Free Dive Republic. Well, guys, here's their Facebook page. Saan ko lalagay? You can follow their Instagram. Diyan ko talaga ilalagay. Okay guys, see you.
May isa pa.
Wala na kami masabi.
TikTok.
What? Oh, yeah. Sakay na din. Diyan ko talaga ilalagay. Bahala ka. Okay. Okay, see you guys. Ayun lang yung pag niya. Napaka-shitty. Napaka-shitty na ito kasama. Okay guys, bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Shall we go back na? 2:30
Magbabay
na.
ka.
Bye!
Last day. Last day, kala mo nakailang araw dito eh, no? Ano masasabi mo last day na natin?
Naantok na ako.
Para tayo nasa US. No? Hindi nga hila. Walang kwenta kausap.
Pangit ang putik.
Uy! Natakot na naman sa powers ko ha.